What if I told you that 1 minute, just 60 seconds, could begin to change your life? Not tomorrow, not someday, but starting right now. Most people hear this and immediately doubt it, because we have been taught that big results need a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of struggle. But what if that belief is the only thing holding you back? Think about it. Every day your mind is busy, full of noise, full of worries, full of thoughts that go nowhere. You spend hours thinking, but very little of that time is focused. Very little of that time is powerful. And that is why nothing changes. The problem is not that you don't have enough time. The problem is that your attention is scattered. You try to do too much, think too much, and control too much. And in that chaos, your real intention gets lost. Now here is the truth most people don't realize. Manifestation is not about how long you try. It is about how deeply you focus. 1 minute of complete clarity is more powerful than 1 hour of distracted thinking. 1 minute where your mind is fully present can create a shift that most people never experience. Your mind is like a signal. When it is weak and unfocused, nothing responds. But when it is clear and strong, it sends a message that cannot be ignored. So the question is not, do you have time? The real question is, can you give just 1 minute of true focus? Most people feel stuck, and they don't even know why. They keep trying new methods, watching videos, reading advice, but nothing really changes, and slowly they start believing that maybe this just isn't for them. Maybe success, happiness, or that impossible dream is only for other people. But the truth is much simpler than that. People are not failing because they are not trying. They are failing because their energy is all over the place. One moment they feel motivated, the next moment they are full of doubt. One day they believe it's possible, the next day they think it will never happen. This constant back and forth confuses the mind. It sends mixed signals, and when your mind is not clear, your actions are not clear either. You start something, then stop. You believe for a second, then question everything. And over time, this creates frustration. Another problem is overthinking. People think they need the perfect plan, the perfect timing, the perfect mindset before anything can happen. So they wait, and while they wait, nothing moves. And then there is doubt. That quiet voice in your head that says, what if it doesn't work? That one thought is enough to break your focus, enough to weaken your belief. So it's not that manifestation doesn't work, it's that most people never give it a fair chance. Their mind is too distracted, too divided, and too full of noise to create anything real. Now here is something most of you have never heard. Manifestation is not about waiting for something to happen. It is not about hoping, wishing, or repeating words again and again. The real truth is simple. Manifestation is about alignment. When your thoughts, your feelings, and your beliefs all move in the same direction, something changes. You stop sending mixed signals. You stop confusing your own mind. And for the first time, you become clear. You might think you need more time to make this work, but time is not the key. You can think about something for years and still stay in the same place. Why? Because your mind was never fully aligned. But even 1 minute of true alignment can be powerful. 1 minute where you are not doubting, not overthinking, not questioning, just fully focused on what you want, as if it is already real. In that moment, your mind stops resisting, it stops fighting, and it starts accepting. That shift, even if it lasts for only 60 seconds, is enough to plant something new inside you. This is why some people see results quickly, while others keep waiting. It's not because they are lucky, it's because for a moment they truly believed without interruption. So forget the idea that you need hours, days, or months. What you really need is 1 minute where everything inside you agrees. So why does 1 minute actually work? It sounds too small, too simple, almost impossible to believe. But the way your mind works is very different from what you think. Your mind does not measure power by time. It measures power by focus and intensity. Think about it. A single moment of fear can stay with you for years. One strong memory can change how you think forever. That didn't take hours, it took seconds. Because in that moment, your mind was fully present, fully focused, fully engaged. The same rule applies here. When you give your full attention to one clear thought without distraction, your brain treats it as important. It starts to accept it. It starts to build around it. But when your thoughts are weak and scattered, your mind ignores them. Most people spend a lot of time thinking, but their attention is broken. Half of their mind is on their goal, and the other half is full of doubt. So nothing becomes strong enough to create change. But 1 minute is different. 1 minute is short enough for you to control, short enough to stay focused. In that 1 minute, you can hold a single idea without interruption. And that is where the real shift begins. It's not about doing more. It's about doing it right. 1 minute of pure focus can do what hours of distraction never will. Now let's talk about something even deeper, intention. Because focus alone is not enough if your intention is not clear. You can think about many things, but if you don't truly know what you want, your mind has no direction. Intention is like giving your mind a target. It tells your thoughts where to go and what to build. Without it, your energy spreads everywhere and creates nothing strong. But when your intention is clear, everything inside you starts to move in one direction. Most people have weak intentions. They say, I want to be successful, or I want a better life. But those words are too vague. The mind doesn't connect with something unclear. It needs something real, something specific, something it can feel. When your intention becomes clear, your focus becomes stronger. You stop guessing. You stop changing your mind every day, and your thoughts begin to repeat the same message again and again. In that 1 minute, your job is simple. Choose one thing, one desire, one outcome, and hold it without distraction. No second thoughts, no changing it halfway. Because when your intention is sharp and your focus is steady, your mind sends a powerful signal, and that signal is what starts creating real change. So before you even begin, ask yourself, what do you truly want? Not what sounds good, not what others expect, but what you really want, deep inside. Now we begin with the first step, clearing your mind. This may sound simple, but this is where most people fail. They try to focus while their mind is still full of noise, stress, worries, random thoughts. All of it stays in the background and weakens their focus. You cannot create something new if your mind is already crowded. You need space. Even for 1 minute, you need silence inside your head. Not perfect silence, but enough to stop the constant thinking. So for this moment, let everything go. Stop thinking about your problems. Stop replaying the past. Stop worrying about what might happen next. None of that matters right now. Just breathe slowly. Let your body relax. Let your thoughts slow down. If something comes into your mind, don't fight it. Just let it pass. You don't need to hold on to anything. This step is important because it resets your mind. It takes you out of confusion and brings you into the present moment. And when you are fully present, your focus becomes stronger without effort. Remember, you are not trying to control everything. You are just creating a clear space, a calm space, a space where your intention can exist without interruption. Even if you can do this for a few seconds at first, it's enough, because once your mind becomes still, even for a moment, you are ready for the next step. Now comes the next step, visualization. This is where you give your intention a clear form. It's not enough to just say what you want. You need to see it in your mind as if it is already real. Most people make mistakes here. They imagine something for a second, then lose focus. Or they see it as something far away, something they don't have yet. That weakens the process. Instead, for this 1 minute, see it as already done. Not I will have it, but I have it. Create a simple, clear picture in your mind. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to feel real to you. If it's successful, see yourself already successful. If it's peaceful, feel calm already. If it's money, imagine it already in your life. Keep it simple. Don't add too many details. Just one clear image that you can hold. Stay with that image. Don't let your mind jump to something else. If it tries to drift, gently bring it back. This is your 1 minute, your moment of control. The goal is not to force anything. The goal is to stay with that picture long enough for your mind to accept it. When your mind starts to believe what it sees, something begins to shift inside you. So hold that image clearly, calmly, and without rushing. Now this step is the most powerful part, feeling it. Because thoughts alone are not enough. Your mind may see something, but it is your emotions that make it real. You visualize what you want, but feel nothing, or worse, you feel doubt while imagining it, and that cancels everything. because your mind listens more to how you feel than what you say. So in this 1 minute, don't just see it, feel it. If your desire came true right now, how would you feel? Happy, relieved, excited, peaceful? Choose that feeling and let it grow inside you. Don't force it, just allow it. Even a small feeling is enough. Let it spread through your body. Let it become natural, as if this is already your reality. This is what gives your intention power. When your thoughts and your feelings match, your mind stops resisting. It stops saying this is not real and starts accepting this is happening. For a moment, forget everything else. No past, no future, just this feeling, just this state of already having what you want. Stay there, hold it, because this feeling is the signal that creates change. And now it all comes down to this: 1 minute, not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, right now, because you don't need more time. You don't need more knowledge. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. You already have everything you need. Just 1 minute of a clear mind, 1 minute of strong intention, 1 minute of seeing it as real, 1 minute of feeling it deeply, and 1 minute of believing without doubt. That single minute can create a shift inside you. And once that shift begins, things start to change, slowly, quietly, but powerfully. What once felt impossible starts to feel closer. What once felt distant starts to feel real. But here's the truth. It only works if you actually do it, not just listen, not just think about it, but take 1 minute and experience it for yourself. So try it today, just 1 minute, and then come back and tell yourself, did something change? If this message connects with you, take a second to support it. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple ideas that can truly change your life. And if you're ready, comment below. 1 minute is enough.